Kim Pao backstage ganap during their family with What's Wrong with Secretary Kim cast. Kim Pao backstage ganap during their family with team What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So ayan na yung ganap nila guys nung time na tapos na yung show. So ayan, backstage kaganapan ng Kim Pao with Miss Garlic with team What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So ayan nga yung Kim Pao. Kim Pao kulitan live, ayan, during family with team What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So, sabi ni Paulo kung mabaho ba daw yung hininga niya. So, ayan, tawang-tawa nga si Chinita Princess. After their successful family with team What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, ito naman yung ganap ng Kim Pao mamaya guys, 9:30 PM to mag-start. Ayan, Naliyagan Festival 2024, Kemcher and Paulo Avellino. At nagkakabuhatan na nga po backstage kasi nga may question doon, sabi na bakit di daw kayang buhati ni BMC si Secretary Kim. So ayan.
Happy in the future.